With NVIDIA's AI blueprint for 3D object generation, generative AI can be used to build a custom 3D model library for rapid prototyping. It starts with an idea for a scene. An LLM generates potential objects for the scene. Objects can be selected or regenerated to explore new options. Once selections are finalized, 3D models can be generated in bulk. These models can then be imported into 3D applications like Blender to prototype a scene or enhance an existing one. This makes it easy to build new scenes quickly or refine ones already in progress. This can also be combined with the NVIDIA AI blueprint for 3D guided generation to preview how a scene will look. Getting started with generative AI is fast with sample workflows from NVIDIA AI blueprints powered by NIM microservices.